In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add captions in Clipchamp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. First, open the Clipchamp application. Ensure you're logged in and then select a video to edit. I'll pick one and simply drag and drop it onto our workspace. Now, we've got our video ready on the timeline. Next, let's focus on subtitles. On the right-hand side of your screen, there's a feature labeled Captions. This includes auto-generated captions. Activate these by clicking on the option and enabling the auto captions, preferably in English. Give it a moment to auto-generate the subtitles. Once the subtitles are ready, you can begin editing them. I trust this tutorial will be beneficial for you. Please like and share.